All right, nighttime, fall time. Found this construction lot. It's right ripped up, but we got to stay on the smooth stuff that's over here. Over there turns into a big mud pit, which is too deep to save them if they go in. So try and not get them in there. Anyway, gonna have a go with the Summit and the Slash. Need the audio. Gotta get the audio effect. Yeah!
Sorry, man. I hit the brakes like back there.
I know. Oh, I wonder what that looks like on cam. Oh! I don't know how well you can see this, but the Slash hit straight on the front of my car in the air. It kind of hit in this kind of area here.
Yeah, you can see the impact point here.
Oh, man.
Yeah, hopefully it didn't fuck up your car.
I'm hoping it's okay. I don't see any like dents or cracks.